Hey, welcome back to Finance Mentor. You know that you can make thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts. If yes, well done. But if you don't know, you can watch this video till the end because I am going to show you a different way that no one is telling on YouTube that how can you make a bunch of dollars in a day to make you financially free. Yeah, that's true. So for that you have to like this video, subscribe to the channel to never miss any update, and comment down below where are you from and which kind of video you want. Let's jump onto way to make money by using YouTube Shorts. So right here you can see this channel New Home Appliances that is making thousands of dollars from this little YouTube channel, right? He has only 300k subscribers and uploads 817 videos. You think that these videos are huge, but no. He is uploading only shorts 15 seconds to 1 minute videos on his channel, and he is gaining millions of views from this channel. Yeah, you can see that he is earning 2.3k to 36.4k monthly earning. This amount is huge when you copy and paste videos and you don't own these videos, but you own by the policies and by the editing of the video to get paid by YouTube. But here is different ways to make money on YouTube. I will show you at the end. So watch this video full to make double amount of money on YouTube Shorts. So here you can see that his yearly earning is 27.3 and 4 lakh K earning. Yeah, that's not social media blade is telling estimate earnings because you can measure that, you can make it down from this website. So here you can see that he is telling us that his statistics that he is making 77 to 1k dollars per day. Yeah, that's right. And here is live earning that he is showing. Yeah, here it is. You can see that this is not the law. This is the true to make money online by using YouTube Shorts. If you want make more money, you can make more videos on YouTube Shorts with a ethical technique, not copy and paste. Here you see this channel, and whenever you go to YouTube channel, you can type here YouTube Shorts plus gadgets. Whenever you put these keywords on YouTube, you can see here this channel is gaining 92 million views only this video right here, and he gained 70 million views. And here is different videos that are gaining millions of views on their channels. Right here you can see 63 million views only this video where he is showing a gadget that is working right here. And here you can see this video and bunch more videos. These are making 1,000 handsome amount only using gadgets video on the shorts. And the beautiful and handsome thing is that they don't own these videos, they only copy and paste videos and make their own video and get paid right here. Now it's time to give you a tips that how you can get free videos and upload it on YouTube to make money by using YouTube Shorts. So go to Instagram and type hashtag gadgets. So whenever you follow this hashtag, you can see here that different gadget videos are here they have uploaded. Right here you can see more and more videos on this. Yeah, you can see here these videos are uploaded here by companies and by product owners. Right, you can see here more and more videos. Here it is this video, and you can search that more and more videos you find and make it your own. Yeah, when you scroll down and down, you can see more videos. For example, we click this video. This video is money truck. Yeah, so click here and copy this link. When you copy this link and go to Google and type Instagram video downloader and click any link and you can paste it here. Whenever you paste your link here, you can click here download. Whenever you click download, this will pop up on next window. So here you can download MP4 video. Yeah, this video is downloading. That's so easy to make money on this way. The next step is go to Google and type Canva. When you type Canva, you can come upon this and type here mobile video. Whenever you type mobile video, you will get this page right here and click here blank template. Whenever you click blank template, you can see here these are bunch more templates you can use, but we are going to use this free and blank template. So click here upload. Whenever you click upload, you can upload media. When you click media and click this icon and click a video which you have downloaded here, and here you can see this video is downloading and uploading here. Right here you can see this is magical that you don't own this video, but you own this video by editing on this free site to make it your own. Right here you can see this video has uploaded and you can write anything in these corners to make it your own by just doing great editing. So click here and click any free template yet you can use, and I am clicking this and I'm adding this to write anything. So here we can see that we write this money tank right here, and you can give your catchy title to this and make it your beautiful handsome videos. So copy this simple text and paste and drag it down and type here this link in description. Whenever you type link in description, that people go to your link and buy this product, and I am going to show you that way you can make that money. So here is we type that link in description and you can drag this and make it little to show catchy title. Right here link in description. Now you can take any arrow to click element section and tag this arrow and make this in the last section to give viewers that link in description. You can click and buy from there. Right here click this red color to pop up this. Right here you can see this video is showing that is catchy and clickable right here. So for download, you click here download and download this file. Boom, this video is your own by editing right here. But now this is time to make exact strategy to make money from this way. So here go to Google and type Amazon Associate and make your account that on. If you don't know how to make, you can comment down. I will definitely help you to make Amazon Associate account. Now we are going to Amazon and see that here is bunch more and thousands of gadget videos and gadget products are here that you can pick up and make videos on it and get your Amazon Associate affiliate link and paste it in your video's description. When any people click that link and buy product, you will get commission on it. It's based on price of any gadget product. Yeah, right here. So this is soft and cooler ways to make money on that. So we are going to type our keyword here, that money tank, to see how these are available or not. So click here, money tank toy. We click here, and here you can see that here is bunch of or here to come upon our window. You can get any product link and paste it in your description right there. Yeah, this is way to make money by using YouTube Shorts. Now go to YouTube channel and click this plus icon and upload video that you own by simply editing right there. So click this file section and click that video which we downloaded there. So whenever you click this video has uploaded on this YouTube channel. So to write here, we can write this link in description. So here you can see this link in description. You can click in description, that click this link and paste your link on here right there. You can see this. You can click and link on this and make money by using this. And if you have doubt that this video we don't own, so I'm going to show you that element check and checks that video we are owning right here. That video we have uploaded, it is no issues copyright found. Yes, YouTube is saying that this video is eligible to monetize and eligible to upload it on YouTube, get your money right there. And click next and click the public, and boom, and publish this video right here. That's so simple to make money online by using this method and get bunch more result and get extra money by uploading these simple videos. If you like this video, share this video and comment down below, are you trying these ways or not? And if you want more ways on YouTube Shorts and other ways to make money online, you can comment down. I will definitely give you a best videos to make money online. For today, bye bye, take care.